barbecue. And, I don't know if you can see through there or not, but there's a little bit of a lake. Last night through the other side there, and they were having fireworks. No bears last night. And Katrina, the happy cook. Okay, honey, let's go inside. Place comes with everything. DVD player, TV. Oh, look down. This is the downstairs. Just showing, taking pictures of the, can I come back, man? Yeah. There you go, Larry. Just to bug you, buddy. And then again, you can come out to the balcony. There's the lower part of this place, and there is the hot tub. There's the bed. And, for the hot tub to the bedroom, 30 seconds. So this is the lower part of the thing. There's the place that had the fireworks last night. There's the part of the lake. And then little wooden shades, privacy.
Mommy!
There's a heater thing.